Báwo ni, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Let's talk about the numbering system in Yoruba. Right. So the word for numbering or number is òǹkà. Òǹkà. Do. Òǹkà. Coming from the root word ohun tí à ń kà. Ohun tí à ń kà. Ohun is something. Tí is that. And is one or we, then that may give it. So anything you're giving present continuous to, that's why you could say mò ń lọ, I am going. Tí à ń, that is being, then kà is counted or count, right? Ohun tí à ń kà, òǹkà. So òǹkà Yoruba numbering system, Yoruba counting system, right? So let's go to it. So we're going to be covering them in parts. So this is season 1 or series 1 or part 1. Great. So 1 in Yoruba is ọ̀kan. Ọ̀kan. It's also ení, rémí. It's also ọ̀kan, rémí, ré. Ọ̀kan, ení, ọ̀kan. You are saying 1. Then 2 is èjì, dodo, or èjì, rémí, do. Then 3 is ẹ̀ta, do, re, or you say ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀ta, rémí, re, or rémí, do, re. Rémí, do. So you can drag it. Ẹ̀ta, rémí, do, re. Ẹ̀ta. 4 is ẹ̀rin, do, re, or you say ẹ̀rin, re, mi, do, re. Ẹ̀rin. But instead of saying ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin in writing, most of us will just say ẹ̀ta or ẹ̀rin. Ẹ̀rin. Now 5 is àrún, do, mi, or you say àrún, re, mi, do, mi. Àrún. Then 6 is ẹ̀fà, dodo, or you say ẹ̀fà, rémí, do, rémí, do. Then 7 is èje, do, re, or èje. Then 8 is ẹ̀jọ, do, re, or ẹ̀jọ. Then 9 is ẹ̀sán, do, mi, or you say ẹ̀sán, re, mi, do, mi. Ẹ̀sán. Then 10 is ẹ̀wá, do, mi, or you say ẹ̀wá, re, mi, do, mi. But you see people, when they are doing this counting, right? They said 1, ọ̀kan, 2, méjì, 3, mẹ́ta, 4, mẹ́rin, 5, márùn. That's not right. Great. So when you say one, simple enumeration is ọ̀kan. Two, as counting, is èjì or èjì. But if you are saying two, ọ̀kan, èjì, combination of units becomes me. Right. So when you are saying one, because it's not combining with anything, right? One will ever remain ọ̀kan. Dore, àbí ọ̀kan, àbí ení. It will ever remain because it's not adding to any other thing. But when you say two, you don't say èjì. You then add becomes méjì, mido. So in counting is ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀sán, ẹ̀wá. But when you are adding, right, when you are having a combination of units, of numbers, you have a hem to it. Becomes méjì. So if you say ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, mélòó, that's why you say mélòó for how much. How many, sorry. How many is mélòó. Mélòó la fẹ́ wí. How many are we going to count? How many are we going to say? Right. So because when you're counting ọ̀kan, èjì, ẹ̀ta, it becomes mẹ́ta. Right. That's why èló is how much. Mélòó is quantity. How many? That's why you could have two, méjì. So three will become what? Mẹ́ta. Four will become mẹ́rin, mire. Then five will become márùn, mídò, mí, márùn, the mire, mẹ́ta, mire, méjì, mídò. Then six will become what? Because if you're counting, let's do a finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in Yoruba will become ení, èjì, ẹ̀ta, ẹ̀rin, àrún, ẹ̀fà will become mẹ́fà. So this mẹ́fà, middle. Then 7 will become méje, mire. 8 will be mẹ́jọ, mire. Then 9 will be mẹ́sàn-án, mídò, mí. Then 10 will be mẹ́wàá, mídò, mí. But most of us would just say mẹ́wàá, mídò, mí. So that's 1 to 10 in Yoruba. So in the next one, we'll be going to 11 to 20. Then we'll also be talking about if you are then saying first, second, third, fourth, order, and or you are saying once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So we'll be using them in the next one. So I don't want it to be too much for you. Make sure you soak this in, the difference between eta and meta. So that's why you could say I have 2 friends. You won't say mo ní ọ̀rẹ́ èjì àbí èjì, but you say mo ní ọ̀rẹ́ méjì. Mo fẹ́ràn èèyàn mẹ́ta. I like 3 people, right? I want 2 people. Mo fẹ́ èèyàn méjì, you won't say èjì, because this is counting and this is giving a combination of units. All right, so great. Let's go. Boom.
eayoruba.com